Let's go over what's inside the Gamer2 box. Everything you need to get up and running quickly and easily is included. This is the 90-watt ButtKicker power amplifier. Its robust control suite allows you to fine-tune your experience either with the front panel or with the attached wired remote. Also, because it's cooled by convection and not by fans, it's not going to add any extra noise to your setup. This is the Gamer2 transducer, the heart and soul of the kit, the thing that's going to be doing all the shaking. The magnetically suspended 6-ounce piston responds quickly and accurately, giving you true haptic feedback. The clamp mount is going to let you attach to any chair or post up to 1.4 inches in diameter, even square ones. The Gamer2 is connected to the amplifier using this quick-release power cable, preventing any snags or twists when you rotate your chair. We include 2 Velcro strips to attach the quick-release power cable to the feet of your chair to further protect against accidental disconnections while in use. We also include all of the cables that you'll need to get started as well. This is a 3.5mm Y splitter. Simply plug it into your center sub out or headphone out on your computer. On the other side, your headphones, and then the connection to the ButtKicker itself. We also include an RCA Y splitter if you're connecting to a soundbar, stereo, or other external audio device. This is a 3.5mm to RCA cable. This lets you connect from your computer or Soundcard directly to the ButtKicker amplifier. And finally, we also include an RCA extension cable. First, connect the Gamer2 transducer to the quick-release cable. The pins fit one way only. Next, connect the Gamer2 to the amplifier. Next, connect an RCA cable to the input on the amplifier. Finally, connect the power cable to the amplifier. First, power on the ButtKicker power amplifier with the rear panel power switch. The red power light will turn on. The unit will also return to red power light standby mode after 20 minutes without signal. Turn the amplifier on by pressing the front panel power button. You can adjust the strength of the signal with the volume up and volume down buttons on the front panel. The green signal and red clip lights will turn on. Press the low cut filter button to roll off low frequency sounds below 25 Hz. Press the high cutoff frequency button to roll off frequencies that are above where the high cutoff frequency dial is set. Press the filter button out to turn it off. Connect the included wired remote to control the intensity of your experience from the comfort of your chair. Simply slide down the center post cover. Adjust the Gamer2 transducer clamp to the correct length for your post. Attach it securely to your chair's center post, and you're done. If you're using non-USB wired headphones connected to your case's headphone out port, first, disconnect your headphones. Next, use the included 3.5mm Y splitter. Connect the splitter to the headphone output of your case. Connect your headphones to one side of the Y splitter. Next, use the included 3.5mm to RCA cable. Connect it to the other side of the splitter, and finally, connect it to the input of the ButtKicker amp. If using the rear audio output, simply locate the rear audio output on your PC and follow the same instructions as before. If you use USB headphones or connect a TV to your PC via HDMI, your PC audio ports are disabled by default. In order to send signal to both the Gamer2 and your headphones, you can use a third-party audio routing program. Voicemeeter is a great option. First, connect the included 3.5mm to RCA cable to your PC. Then, plug the RCA cable into the input of the ButtKicker amp. Now, open up Voicemeeter. In the top right of the program, you'll see A1 and A2 under Hardware Out. In A1, select your USB headphones or HDMI device. In A2, select your PC speakers. Next, in your Windows sound settings, make sure Voicemeeter is set as the default audio device. If you're using Voicemeeter, consider donating, they make great software. If you're using a VR headset, there's similar audio mirroring available. Check out the Quick Start Guide for more details. If you're using a soundbar with an RCA subwoofer output, first use the RCA Y splitter. Connect to the subwoofer output on the soundbar. Next, use the RCA extension cable. Connect to the other male side of the RCA Y splitter. Finally, connect to the input of the ButtKicker amplifier. If you're connecting to a console and you're not connecting to an external sound system or a controller, you're going to need to use a digital to analog audio converter. Simply connect from the optical output on your console to the converter, and then to the ButtKicker amplifier. These converters are sold separately, but are low cost and available at most major electronics retailers. First, connect to the optical output of the console. Next, connect to the optical input of the converter. Using the RCA Y splitter, connect to only one side of the converter's output. Next, using the RCA extension cable, connect the other side of the RCA Y splitter to the extension cable, and then connect the extension cable to the ButtKicker amplifier. Whether you're mowing down hordes of enemies on Mars, busting your way into a room, or riding a horse through a vast open world, the ButtKicker Gamer2 is going to bring every game that you play to life. Click the links below to learn more, or visit thebutkicker.com.